Hi guys, from Mami Sutla, from the USA with love. Ito na naman ako. Meron lang ako share sa inyo na napaka-importante. The early morning, tanghali na nga ako nagising, nag-live pa ako, nag-testing 1, 2, 3. First time ko mag-live. But this one, hindi ko kaya yatang mag-live. Ang hirap kasi. But anyway, early morning, I received this. Ito yan, notification. Alam niyo ba, akala ko magandang balita. Pero this one, basahin ko sa inyo. We blocked your profile for some issues. See why. Share. Grabe na naman. Alam niyo, kilala ko na to. Pinag-iinitan talaga ako. Hindi nila alam. Di ko naman talaga kailangan na mag-vlog. Actually, talagang, syempre, iwas stress lang. I'm senior at nandito ko halfway around the world. Siyempre, naiinip lang ako at probably, siyempre, iwas stress na rin at tanggal init. So, I'm doing this para lang, siyempre, and then naguhula-hup ako para to encourage yung mga fellow seniors ko na life is short, kailangan nating magsaya. And then, ito yan, nakita ko kaagad. And you know, please, wag tayong matakot. Alam nyo ba, they created a page, nakita ko. At hindi ito totoo. At talagang tatakutin ka. At pag matatakot ka, talagang sasabihin sa'yo, your page is breaking our terms and conditions. Nakasulat pa. If you think we restricted by mistakenly, mali pa English, you can submit, an appeal to Meta. And minsan may isa pa, monetization is at risk. See why? Alam niyo po ito page. Wag po tayong matakot. Sanay na po ako. At palagi po nila akong pinag-iinitan dahil yung awareness sa fellow content creators na mga bago, talaga nanginginig sa takot. At please, reminder, wag ninyong i-press or wag ninyong i-click ang link. Pag click nyo yon, you will supply everything kasi gusto nyong ma-review. That's the time, ilalak niya yung Facebook mo at yan ang gagamitin nila. Phishing po ito. Gagamitin po nilang pang-scam and nakasulat pa. Requests can only be accepted from individuals with full control of the page. Page managers cannot be accepted. And if you request a review, your page will be made visible, published within 6 hours. This is not true. Okay? Thank you for using Meta services. Hindi po ito totoo.